Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, could we see 23,000 as a place where Bitcoin can head down to? I do believe this is true. I'm going to show you guys just some straight metrics. So this is what the current trade looks like. I'm keeping you updated on every single video. Every video you guys see come out with, turn the bell notification on, subscribe. You are going to see us live trading crypto. You're going to see me live trading crypto on every single video. So you guys know, make sure you're going over to Trade Confident. I will go over the market metrics here in just a second, but make sure you guys are subscribed. All of this is open to the public right now. I'm eventually going to be charging for this, possibly around July 1st, but all these trades are open. Come out here and try following along. See what you guys can do. The last trade we ended up closing here was a profit of 15.14% on Bitcoin. I'll keep all the losses and the wins transparent. Okay, so 23,000. Is that possibly an area where we could head down to? I do believe so, and I'll give you guys proof of that. This is updated for June 22nd, 2021, live trading, which is today. So the long versus the short trades. Let's look at the actual raw market number data of what's going on. That's what these market metrics are all for here. We see, as mentioned in yesterday's video, that shorts have dropped out like crazy on Bitcoin. This is a good sign, guys. I know it's going down. I know it keeps going down, but this tells us, just think about this very rationally. If the shorts have dropped out, the big guys, the whales in here are like, you know what, we're shorting. All right, they have made their short income already, okay? If they are dropping out their shorts, that means they are not as convinced. If shorts start dropping out of the market, that means that they're afraid that their shorts are going to lose money, okay? How do you lose money in shorts? Well, the market actually ends up going back up. So I know this is a scary moment, and I'm going to show you guys the emotional index of the market right now, and you guys are fearful. And when I say you guys, maybe not you listening to me right now in this video, but as a whole, the market is fearful. And this is where people start really panicking. But hey, look behind the charts with the market metrics. Sometimes indicators don't give you all of this. So look behind the charts. The shorts are dropping off. This is a good sign we could start heading back up. Okay, trades in favor today. This doesn't happen much, but we are in a very strong, great long trade territory today. So if you have extra money, and this is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only for sure. If you have extra money, a lot of things that people are doing now are they're dollar cost averaging into these dips. I am dollar cost averaging into all these dips. I just bought Cardano yesterday. I just bought into Ethereum yesterday, and I have 2 more trades for Ethereum and Cardano ready to go at lower prices. All right, you guys can watch the videos yesterday in the description of this YouTube video of what those are. So this is a great place for long trades. If you're looking to short right now, I would say that is not a good idea whatsoever, personal opinion. When we get up here, you guys can start looking for shorts, but this is now into a great long trade area. Last time we got down here, this is where we saw consolidation. I know it's been dropping like crazy, but we saw pumps up here. Last time we got down here, we saw a nice pump, and the market actually felt like it was going to reverse for a while. Now remember, these are all-time highs in Bitcoin, so that's why we didn't see a great pump up. But if you move this chart backwards, we have historically seen very nice moves up in the market. The death cross, very quickly, going to skim over this. This is active. Just make sure you guys watch us in the morning. This is big institutions in here, even retail traders, pumping out the news articles lately. We're in a death cross. We're in a death cross. Yes, it is true. When the red's above the green, we are officially in a death cross. I like to call it a life cross. A life cross when the green's above the red. So let's keep moving down here. The emotional index, you guys need to be aware of this in the market. This has now triggered into fearful. When we get up into the greedy area, this is where the whales are completely shorting on you guys, and they are taking your money because you're too greedy and you're not selling. So what are they going to do? They're going to help ease you guys out of your positions and take your money and drop the market. But what do they do down here? While you guys are fearful and you're scared and you're selling and you're shorting because you think the market's going to go down, they are buying you guys up like crazy. So the whales and the institutional money, you guys need to be following this on a daily basis. When we start dipping down into the red here, this is where the price is historically going to stop, and they're actually going to be shorting all of you guys. Like all your positions up here, they shorted it. And what happened? They dropped the price out on you, and you might not have been able to see this. Like if you're looking at candlestick patterns, you're not seeing any of these metrics. Like any of this. So this is why you guys need to be over here. This is like real market volume data you guys can be looking at every single morning at TradeConfident.io. Okay. This is where you guys need to be watching this. This is continually increasing. This is not a big drop off. It's a little bit less than yesterday's volume, but the long trades are still taking over. Institutions and whales, I promise you guys, they are buying this dip up like crazy, and a lot of retail traders are proving to me and proving to you watching this video right now that they are selling. I literally started this video when I was just waking up here. This is about 5:30. We've already dropped this morning about 3%, and it's been less than about 20 minutes on this single candle. People are waking up and, Pacific Standard Time, Eastern Standard Time, and they are freaking out. Okay, you guys are freaking out and you're selling. But what a lot of whales are doing is they are buying. Now, let me get to the point in this video in the beginning. I said 23,000. This is a new metric. You guys need to be following this. I hope you guys know that. Do you understand all of these metrics here are not just like made up metrics? These are actually real volume metrics. Like they are possibly the greatest thing you need to be looking at every single day when you trade. Like this is why I have this section on the video. I've been doing this a lot because this is based off volume. Where are the actual whale positions? Well, now you guys can see that. These are what are called high volume nodes and low volume nodes. A high volume node, simply visually put, is when the orange line is really far to the left. When it's not far to the left and it's close to the border here, this is a low volume node. This acts as incredible support and resistance. If you guys watch this, if you come up here to the top and you start seeing the price go down and you get into what's called a low volume node area, there is nothing to catch this price. Why? Because there isn't any money put in here. Like if you guys want to watch for big bounces in the market, it's where you hit this, which is called POV. And I'll go over this in another video. But when you guys come down to a place where there's a lot of volume, this is where the price can spike. Now let's make this really rational in our minds. A lot of whales and a lot of money came and flowed through the market around 3,100. Now, I know a lot of people are looking at 3,000 as a psychological level, and yes, we are very close to 3,000 down here, which we have actually already passed, by the way. 29,365 is where we're currently at. But the next place where this is really going to get caught as far as volume and like looking at actual volume data, guys, not just some support and resistance on the chart, which I know structures are incredibly important, but looking at volume data, it is down here around 26,000 and 23,000. Okay, 23,000 is where this next high volume node is. It's even larger than this one where we could get caught and the price could start moving back up. These are people who have been holding for the long term where they bought really low down here and they don't want the price to go any lower, so they're going to come back in and they're going to buy it. Think of it again like this. If the whales have a bunch of money in here and they see the price start to come down and then they actually don't want their books to go into the red, they start buying again, pushing the price back up. They take their profit, they took their profit. And then they shorted it, which was proof up here they ended up shorting the market. And then now that the price is going back down, there is not much volume, not much past trades to hold Bitcoin up. This is why it makes me a little bit nervous that this could start continually going down the rest of this week to Friday. It's Tuesday right now, June 22nd. To Friday and into the rest of the week, we could see a move down to 2,300. I'm not emotional about this. This isn't FUD. This isn't FOMO. It is straight data and analytics of volume and where trades are placed. This is a possibility. So what am I going to do as far as managing these trades? Well, you guys need to be watching this on here, but I think we just hit the third buy limit. I need to come up and I'm going to update you guys on this on the website here for Bitcoin, but we did end up hitting the second buy limit and I moved that break-even entry down. And then break-even entry gave us a new entry price in here of, let me just pull it up real quick for you guys so you guys can keep updated here, 36,000. The break-even entry is 36,748. So I'm going to come up, I'm going to update this. You know, this is probably going to move somewhere down to about 35,000. This is crazy, guys. Like this is a ridiculous drop off. Everybody thought we were going to move up before then. They thought the structure low here was when we're going to see a pump. I saw YouTube channels that are like, nope, we're going to definitely go up here. Structure low, structure low, structure low. We didn't go up. And then people are like, no, 3,000 is definitely where we're going to go up, psychological level. Well, I'm going to follow the market data and where the volume is sitting, guys. And I'm telling you, this like isn't looking too good. The next catch is down here at 2,300. Not giving you guys, FUD at all. Look at the market data on tradeconfident.io. Excuse me, every morning like I am, and you will see the raw statistics of where the money is, and there isn't too much in here stopping us from getting down. I do have another buy limit down here at 26,000, so I want to be watching that. The trend dashboard, very quickly, everything is negative. Retail traders are looking at this. They're shorting, they're selling the market. Price versus the whale money flow. This is moving sideways here, but we are seeing money move back into the market, so this is a positive sign. The whales are buying the dip. The trend exhaustion is not yet at the bottom. It's sitting in the middle. So this gives me some extra confirmation that we have not hit the bottom yet and we could keep going down. The trend exhaustion, the price versus the whale money flow, the trend dashboard is on sale right now. These prices are going to go up July 1st for these indicators. These are ones you can get on the chart. Morning market metrics, you guys are going to eventually, I'm going to be charging for this, but it is absolutely free right now. So make sure you guys subscribe over to tradeconfident.io. I will keep you updated. Stay hopeful, keep your head up, and these buy limits are going to keep triggering. I'll keep you guys updated on this video, live trading, every single video I come out with. God bless you guys. Keep your head up, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.